Under Regulation 29 of the Education Regulations 1980, a student shall obey the rules of the school he is attending. Under this regulation, schools have certain leeway with the rules they can make and enforce on students. It can become a problem for LGBT students like Shauna, whose close friends call her Sean. Teachers and school administrators are always commenting on her more masculine choice of hairstyles and shoes. They have also punished her for being too close with girls at school. Shauna's gender expression has made her the target of bullying from other students. She often feels worthless, has nightmares, suffers from low self-esteem, has panic attacks, and her grades have dropped significantly. Even worse, teachers, guidance counselors, and other school officials have not been able to respond adequately to the issues she's facing. With the autonomy that these schools possess under Regulation 29, many are allowed to operate without clear anti-discrimination policies. If every child must learn, the government must provide more oversight of school rules to ensure there is no institutional discrimination targeting LGBT students. Additionally, anti-discrimination policies should be the standard across all schools.